Hey, welcome to Corey's World. Hey, buddy, where are we?
Old Ford Park.
Old Ford State Park in Tennessee, right?
Right.
How gorgeous is this place?
It's good.
Wow. You want to show them what's over there a little bit?
There's a waterfall there, and it goes. And I believe somewhere near here is a bigger one.
And what are you going to look for under these rocks?
Crayfish.
Wow, how cool is that? This place is just so majestic. Wow.
I'm gonna feel the
Freaking amazing.
Oh, there's a bee.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, look at that butterfly. Whoa!
Wow.
Look at that.
That's almost magical. Look at all these white ones.
I want to grab one.
Oh, look at this one.
It's so pretty. I want to grab that one.
You're going to have to get up on it and pinch its wings, buddy, if you want to get it.
Oh, so close. There's another one.
This is just so beautiful. Crazy beautiful.
I want to grab